Milan, Italy, the fashion capital of the world, known for its high-end designers and luxurious lifestyle. But guess what? You don't need a designer wallet to enjoy it. Milan is full of surprises, amazing food, stunning architecture, and vibrant culture. And the best part? You can experience it all without breaking the bank. Milan is more than just expensive shops and fancy cars. It's a city with a heart, a soul, and a delicious, affordable underbelly waiting to be explored. So ditch those misconceptions about Milan being only for the rich and famous. Get ready to experience the magic of Milan on a budget. In Milan? Absolutely. Think Milan is all about Gucci and Prada? Think again. This city knows how to do luxury on a dime. We're talking delicious street food, charming neighborhood trattorias, and hidden gems tucked away in ancient streets. You can wander through grand piazzas, soak up the atmosphere in centuries-old churches, and even catch a glimpse of a fashion show or two, all without spending a fortune. Milan is proof that you don't need to be a millionaire to live like one, even if it's just for a weekend. Hold on a sec. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of budget-friendly Milan, let's talk about you. Yes, you. You're clearly a discerning traveler with a taste for adventure and a nose for a good deal. We love that, and we want to keep bringing you amazing content like this. So, if you're enjoying this little journey through Milan, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and leave a comment below. Tell us about your favorite budget travel finds. Okay, back to Milan. Now I know what you might be thinking. Milan, on a budget, isn't that an oxymoron? Nope, not even close. Sure, Milan has its share of high-end boutiques and Michelin-starred restaurants, but it also has a down-to-earth side that's just waiting to be discovered. Milan is a city of contrasts, where ancient history meets modern innovation, where high fashion coexists with down-home cooking, and where you can find a perfect plate of pasta for the price of a cup of coffee in some cities. Milan on a shoestring challenge accepted. So, how do you conquer Milan without conquering your bank account? It's all about knowing where to look and what to prioritize. Forget the fancy hotels and designer labels. Embrace the local way of life. Think cozy trattorias with menus handwritten on chalkboards, charming B&Bs tucked away in quiet courtyards, and bustling street markets overflowing with fresh produce and local delicacies. Milan on a shoestring, challenge accepted. Sleeping like royalty without the royal bill. Finding affordable accommodation in a city like Milan might seem like a challenge, but trust me, it's easier than you think. Forget the five-star hotels. We're going local. First up, Ostello Bello. This hostel chain is a backpacker's dream. Clean, stylish, and centrally located, they offer both private rooms and dorms, all with a fun and social atmosphere. Next, Airbnb, live like a local. Rent an apartment or a room in a local's home for an authentic Milanese experience. You'll be surprised at the affordable options available, especially if you book in advance. And don't forget the B&Bs. Milan is full of charming bed and breakfasts, often run by families who are passionate about their city. You'll get a comfortable room, a delicious breakfast, and insider tips on the best local spots. Mangia, Milanese feasts without emptying your wallet. Get ready for some serious food envy because Milan is a foodie paradise. And the best part? You don't need a Michelin star budget to enjoy it. First, trattorias. These family-run restaurants are the heart and soul of Milanese cuisine. Expect hearty portions of traditional dishes like risotto alla milanese, cotoletta alla milanese, and osso buco, all at wallet-friendly prices. Then, street food. Milan's street food scene is a symphony of flavors. Grab a panzerotti, a slice of pizza al taglio, or a lampredotto sandwich for a quick, cheap, and delicious bite. And of course, aperitivo. This beloved Milanese tradition is the ultimate budget-friendly dining hack. Order a drink at a bar during aperitivo hour, usually 6 p.m. to 9 p.m., and enjoy a complimentary buffet of snacks and small bites. Milan isn't just about food and fashion, it's a city brimming with culture, history, and art, and you don't need to empty your wallet to experience it all. No trip to Milan is complete without marveling at the iconic Duomo. While climbing to the top will cost you a few euros, wandering through the Grand Cathedral is free and an awe-inspiring experience. This picturesque canal district is perfect for an afternoon stroll. Enjoy the lively atmosphere, browse the vintage shops and art studios, and soak up the charming ambiance. Escape the city buzz in Milan's largest park. Pack a picnic, rent a bike, or simply relax by the fountain and enjoy the tranquility. So there you have it. Milan might be known for its high-end fashion and luxurious lifestyle, but as you've seen, it's a city that welcomes everyone, regardless of their budget. You can wander through grand piazzas, Marvel at architectural masterpieces, indulge in culinary delights, and soak up the vibrant atmosphere, all without breaking the bank. Milan is proof that you can live la dolce vita affordably. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your appetite, and get ready to experience the magic of Milan, the budget-friendly way. Remember, luxury isn't about how much you spend, it's about the experiences you create and the memories you make. And in Milan, those are priceless. Have you experienced the magic of Milan on a budget? Share your tips, tricks, and favorite affordable finds in the comments below. Let's help each other unlock the secrets of budget-friendly luxury travel. Happy travels! Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more budget travel tips, and watch more videos about budget-friendly vacations.